Welcome to the latest innovation in environmental monitoring, the HENGKO HG970 temperature and humidity handheld meter. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile, the HG970 is your go-to device for precise climate measurements in a variety of settings. Narrator: designed for mobility, the HG970 is easy to install and perfect for specialized measurement scenarios. Whether you're in a lab, on a farm, or in an industrial setting, this handheld meter is your reliable partner. What sets the HG970 apart is its integrated measurement capability. It simultaneously measures ambient temperature, dew point temperature, wet bulb temperature, and humidity, all with remarkable accuracy. And there's more. The HG970 features a unique metal porous probe design. This means you can replace and even customize probes for high temperature and humidity measurements specific to your project. Mechanic tool sound. Speaking of customization, HENGKO understands that every project is unique. That's why we offer OEM services. Need a super length probe for agricultural applications? We've got you covered with our 3.7 meter probe equipped with dual sensors. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team. Stay tuned for more innovative solutions from HENGKO.